To add the local files to the Spotify, first open up the Spotify and go to your profile icon, tap there, and then simply hit on setting and privacy. Scroll down and you'll find local files. From here, you'll need to toggle on this button. Now go back and once again hit on this library, your library, and you can see there is a local files. 0 tracks been added. So to add the tracks, you need to go to local files and add audio, and make sure that you have allowed this. Now just wait for minutes or so far and try to refresh this. Go back to local files and there you go. We have added 313 tracks that has been downloaded on my phone. So this is how you should add local files to your Spotify. It's that simple.